Achill Island. And that's a beach. We don't know which one.
Sure is.
And waves. I'm 34 today.
That part.
Yeah.
G'day detectorists and treasure hunters, budgie smugglers and all around good guys. We're here in Keem Beach, Achill Island. I got my trusty shovel. That looks like a fishing lure. Okay, that's our first bit of metal. Yep, our first bit of scrap. The missus is down on the beach with the metal detector. I got my all-in-one tool, and there's been a storm just a couple days ago, so we're hoping that the storm might have sort of fished out a few euro coins and things. And our main thing we're looking for is euro coins. If we're lucky, we can pay for the fuel back home, or at least a sausage roll. This is an interesting beach material. It's a sluice. No lifeguard on duty today, my friends. It's beautiful countryside though. You're already finding stuff. All right, let's see what's going on here. It might be the black sand, our favorite. I think there's concrete under there.
Probably. Fill it up.
Do the right thing. It's such a lovely place. Just being here is very, very nice. There's a lot of black sand, and a lot of you detectorists are aware black sand is good. Check this out. A whole bunch of quartz in between the rock. Yep, black sand. No. Alright, so trying to film it. I don't know if you can see the detail. There's a lot of black sand here. Could even be gold dust, but we don't have gold penny equipment. There's a lot of quartz. You can see heaps of quartz. Let's see what's going on here. There's a whole area active. Oh. No.
You want to hear my professional opinion?
Yep.
This device is shit.
Oh, it's a kid's toy, really.
That's not a kid's toy. It was still €100, but I mean it beeps on everything.
I think it's the black sand. Lots of quartz.
You want to do me me a birthday favor?
Yeah?
Put it back in the car so I don't have to carry it.
Okay. Wait, let's try it the other way around. The shovel.
Alright. Consider wrong. Let me try the noise of the shovel. Nothing. You don't sound.
Whoa!
Wasser!
Where'd that come from?
Wasser!
Some nice waves today.
Be
Mrs.
brave,
Green's.
behave!
It's Mrs. Green's birthday today.
Yay!
That's why we're here, to celebrate and to come to the nicest island, the nicest beach on Achill Island. Hope you can hear me over the waves.
Most famous beach on Achill Island. Keem Bay.
Alright, so what's happening is we've got problems picking stuff up because the black sand is making everything react with our cheap ass. Let's have a look. With our cheap ass.
I want to find one thing.
Yeah, even if it's a bottle cap. But the black sand is playing havoc with the machine. So what we're going to do instead, we're going to just forage. We're going to have a look between rocks. Oh, there's some sparkly stuff. Oh. Yeah, maybe the metal detector might not be the hit that we'd like it to be today. But there's certainly other rocks that are worth considering. And if we do a bit of foraging, we might actually find something nice. There's lots of quartz, which is of course always something to be happy about. What is that stuff? Yep, we'll do some foraging. See if we find anything of interest washed up amongst the rocks. Yeah, these have some silvery speckles. Not sure what they are exactly, but very shiny. Not gold, obviously. Lots of quartz and things to be discovered. Rare. Yeah, there's some interesting stuff. What is it?
Call me gumboot Tommy.
Yeah.
Shit ass Tommy. I fell in sheep shit.
Ah, it was an embarrassing morning. Yeah, we need to upgrade our machinery. All right, let's take the metal detector back to the car and we'll just go looking around rocks and things.
Yay!
Okay, so the metal detector's acting crazy here. All this black sand.
Have a look.
All this black sand. You can see it's everywhere. It just makes the machine go crazy. All right, you can hear it in the background. Thanks for tuning in today. The day isn't finished, it's just that we're taking back the machine, the metal detector.
Go to a different beach later.
We'll go to a couple more beaches and we'll do some foraging and looking around. Maybe we do find something, maybe not. But because we love this country so much, you know, we want to inspect every square corner of her. All right.
Is that gold? Or is it just a rock?
It's a piece of rock. Is it? Shell?
I think it's styrofoam.
Oh. All right. So it's been a bit of a bust, at least with this machine. We're going to come back when we get a better one, but we're going to come back in the summer anyway because it's a very lovely place to be. Thanks for tuning in to Irish Ore. My name's John Green.
My name is Dominic Green.
Right, and like I said, look at these. There's quartz all over the place. Maybe there's some fluvial gold to be found. You know, digging in the cracks, in the crevices. We didn't really bring any heavy tools. But there's certainly a lot of quartz around here. So I would definitely recommend for other people to come and check it out. It's one of the better kept beaches and not too many people coming, which means you'll probably have the place to yourself, just like we did today. There's a lot of sheep. It's a pretty amazing place. It's quite spectacular. Thanks for tuning in to Irish Ore, right here on YouTube. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment if you feel like it. And
Comment on my bum.
make a comment on that mess that she fell into. Hi. All right, so we left the beach just as some more people came. All right, see you later.